Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Salarin ko yung, ano 'to, Bakso Malang Anomalies. Well, it's kinda alam niyo yun, yung nilaro ko nakaraan. Well, di ko pa siya napo-post dito sa YT, pero yeah, mamaya ipo-post ko siya, yung parang shawarma kiosk. Parang gano'n siya, like magbebenta tayo ng noodles. I don't know if noodles tong Bakso Malang na 'to, noodles na may patay. I don't know if ano 'tong noodles na 'to. I think Malaysian or Taiwanese game. I don't know if saang bansa 'tong Bakso Malang na 'to. Well, yun nga, maghahanap rin tayo ng anomalies. I think di natin pagbebentahan yung anomalies na yun. So yeah, ano pa hinihintay natin, lalaruin ko na siya. So it's the time to play this game! Click to ready. Waiting for everyone to get ready. I'm ready, bro. Welcome to your night shift at Bakso Malang. Bakso! Customer, can I have one Bakso noodles please? Okay. Sure, that will be 12 point. Oh, Gcash niya boy. No. Place bowls and bowls cover. Bowls. Okay. Put noodle, meatball and tofu into the pot. Put noodle and tofu. Ito noodle. Put noodle. Talagay here. Put noodle, meatball. And tofu, I guess. Use bowl. Put noodle, meatball, and tofu in the bowl. Wait lang. Wait lang. Okay, lagay dyan. Then, put vegetables and sauce and sambal. What is sambal? Put noodles, sauce, vegetables. Speaker to naman to sambal eh. Asan sambal? Sambal? Ito ba sauce? Oh, okay. Package the food into a plastic bag. Where's the plastic bag? I guess, ganyan. Parang, ano ng Dunkin. Oy, salamat, Miss. Thank you, Miss. Ay, salamat, Mike. That's it. If you're ready to serve more customers, do read up the rules and follow the rules. You mean these rules? Okay, pabasahin natin siya. Rules to follow. Serve all customers with expectations. If they have a ghost on their shoulder, ano sa balikat nila? The shutter? Shoulder them but do not stare at them. Otherwise, sit on any chair if there are anomalies. Every customer must pay 12 RP. Rupee ba yan? I don't know.
Follow with Kia, yeah!
What? Wait lang. Kalma, boss. Nagbabasa pa ako ng rules. For Bakso noodles and 7 for drinks. If you see blood dripping from the meatball, sit down. Use your third eye to confirm anomalies but don't use it for too long or something will happen. Oh! How to use the third eye? Tips. Granny ghosts must be served. They're the one on the shoulder of the customer. You can accept tips if they told you they gave you tips plus more money. Do not sit down when there is a customer to serve you or you will get fired. Oh! Sa trabaho lang pala tayo. Okay, rescue to use your third eye. Use it to check customers but don't use it when you're sitting. Don't use it for too long. Parang nakakalito yung rules niya. Kaya basahin ko ulit. Yeah, get it. Hello? Third eye. Q. I'm pressing Q, bro. Wait. Oh! Oh, ang galing! Nakabiyakogan. Biyakogan, nakasharingan. Paano ka ulit magbenta? Pambihira. Noodles. Yeah, bowl. Noodles. Tapos, ano nga yun sa'yo, boss? Ba't mga ganyan buhok nila? Okay. Then, noodles. Tofu. Meatballs. I love baby yaks. Saan ba ako nagkulang? Sit down, can we sit down?
Woi, kau dipecat sekarang juga!
Boss, Bro, kakastart ko lang magtrabaho. What are you waiting for? You're fired. Si boss pala yun. You can't even do a simple job. You don't deserve to work here. What the heck? Return to lab. Ano yun, bro? What the... Vegetables. Red bowls. Plastic bag. All goods. Give to the customer their food. Thank you. Wait. What the... Okay. So yeah, ito yung tip. Just rules follow. Follow the rules and tips. Okay, tips. Look at the tips and follow the rules. Yeah. Tapos na, bro. Tapos na ako. Pwede ba natin patayin to? Like, bro, baka ma-overcook. TRP onwards, but please earn. Okay. Okay, may customer. Guys, kailan nyo ba to? Alam nyo ba yan? Meron akong banig, kasha, 10. Walang nakaiga, lahat nakatayo. Dito 6'7", 5'6". 5'6", bro, 5'6". Di siya 6'7", 5'6" siya. Pag utang bait, pag singil galit. Vegetables with bowls. Give it to the customer. Thank you. Well, welcome. Muhammad, ano bang kinakain mo? Kinakain mo sa iyong pinggan. Oh! Ah! What the? What the heck? Bro, nagaya na tayo dun sa babae. Umiikot yung ulo. Ay, oh! Oh, may katawan pala So, magagamit natin yung Sharingan natin when I press Q. Oh, see? Okay, nagbayad siya sa GCash, through GCash. Sauce, then vegetables in a bowls. I guess, all goods na? Tama ba? Uy, te. Saan pang kulang? Saan ako nagkulang? Ate. Uy, saan ako nagkulang? You're getting fired. Uy, no. Wala. Umupo lang ako saglit. Anong game getting fired? Uy, te. Uy, nagtampo na. Ala. Okay. Nagtampo siya. Umupo kasi ako pambihira So, di tayo pwede umupo. Yun yung nasa rules kasi guys Di pwede umupo pag normal naman yung...
Anomali ini muncul dari malam hari dan pagi hari. Dia adalah
kutukan sahur.
Dia adalah seseorang yang berdarah besar karena maksudnya berkurang enak dan dia mekutukan jadi jaksa.
Loh, naging meatballs tayo sa Baksumalang. Bro, naging meatballs tayo sa Real Baksumalang. The truth is here. The meatballs were made from human sacrifice. Whatever you sold was from someone who's no longer here. What the heck, bro? Kasih paham, boss. Hey, bro. Yun na yun. So, give to the customer. All goods. Thank you. Welcome, bro. Brainrot ba to? Ay, bawal tayo mo po. Okay. Sure, that will be... Oh, siya ulit si tatay. Okay, gamitan natin ng... Oh, di siya pwede pa serban. Di siya pwede serban. Like, wait lang. Follow the rules. If they have a ghost on their shoulder, serve them. But, oh, okay. Di tayo titingin. Pero, yeah, serve tayo sa kanya. Ng dalawang shawarma. Thank you. Welcome, bro. Thank you. Ingat. Wait lang, gagamitin natin yung Sharingan natin. Wait lang. Okay. Pambira, ang daming jumpscare. All goods to Well, mababa lang yun siguro sa Taiwan. I don't know kung sa Taiwan to or sa... Di ko alam kung saan anong lugar to eh. Like, Indonesian? Sharingan! Okay, wala. All goods, guys. All goods. Thank you. Welcome, bro. Eat well. Uy, upo tayo! Di natin pwede serban yan, ba? Sabi ko na eh, upo lang eh. What the? Ko lang ba nakakita nun? Kung kapre, dito sa Pilipinas, babae, ay lalaki. Dito naman sa kanila, babae. What the heck? Dalawa sila! Ay! Ubutak din na-jumpscare ako ng payment. Na-jumpscare ako ng payment. What the heck? Drinks. Itang. Pwede ba natin to kunin? Yung samurai na to. Okay. Take this. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Ba't may mga nakaabang sa akin? Like, nagdenegosyo ako, tas sila yung mga, kung sa Indonesian or sa Taiwan, may mga ganito. I mean, sa Pinoy, may nanghila pababa. Well, I think, sila naman yung nanghila pababa rin. Hey, bro, what the? Oh! Okay, thank you. Pembarian Bersi. I think she's normal. He's normal, bro. Normal siya, guys. Kita nyo naman. Galing pa yan sa simbang gabi, guys. Like, look! Galing yan sa simbang gabi, oh. Sheesh, drip! Sa simbang gabi drip mo, boy. Okay, kulang pa ng... Baka man chichicks ka lang, eh. Ingat, stay safe, bro. Thank you, welcome. I'm hungry, give me 1 box of noodles. Wait lang, baka riding in tandem kayo. Sharingan! Anong gagawin? Ghost, shoulders, na customer. Pwede ba tayo umupo? Oh! Bro, may angkas! May kabit na angkas, nakita nyo? Kabit yun na lalaki, guys. So it means... Sila yung lumalabas. Yeah, sila yung lumalabas pag give to the customer. Sila yung lumalabas pag nagkakamali ako, guys. I think. Thank you, welcome, bro. Sila yung lumalabas. Paano pag What? Huh? Sharingan! Bro, yung anak niya nasa sinapupunan pa niya. Nasa sinapupunan pa niya anak niya, tas umiiyak sa loob ng... What? Kalbo. Yeah, kalbo. Wait lang, sharingan tayo saglit.
Hidup pindah saudara.
Thank you so much. Oh, binigyan tayo ng tip. Bigyan tayo. Si boss ba to? Ano yan sa buhok mo, boss? All goods, noodles. Oh, ubos na yung box sumalang natin. Thank you. Ay, hindi siya si boss? Yeah, hindi si boss. Kalbo lang siya na NPC. Guys. Tatlo lang sila kanina. Ba't apat na sila? Wait lang, ilan na yung anomalous hit? Apat na sila. Okay, tinatayuan ako ng balahibo. Sharingan. Okay. I mean, di siya Sharingan, pero may kinda Byakugan. Well, Baliw! Hey! Mga nagbe-breakdance. I want Baksu. With extra... Wala, hoy! Bawal yan. Nagsisikain kayo dito. Wala kayong bayad. Hoy, 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 tigil niyan, tigil niyan. Army of Jeans ending 4. Failing to keep up with the Jeans. Then didn't listen to the suspension. I told you to sit when things... Okay! Namawiwa. Ilang, wag kang umupo! Sharingan. Okay, wala. Isang bakso. All goods naman, no? Thank you. Welcome, boss. Asan yung QR code ng Gcash natin? Like, asan dito? Oh, man. 4 na sila. Give me all your money now. Wait. Oh! Oh, di ba? Lugi yung puhunan ko, hindi nabawi. Nagsikain ng mga gag. What? Babae ka ba? Parang di siya babae. Ay, parang di siya babae. Okay, sir. So, may 2... Thank you for free food. Baliw. Abnoy. Oh, man, dumagdag. Ano, mali, hit. Okay. 4 na sila. 4 na... What? Nag-feeding program na naman sila. Wala naman nila, may libre dito. Uy, makikyo po.
Gimana caranya? Coba dipikirkan secara logika, ayo.
Switch on the light bulb. How? Like, di ko to paano alam laruin, boy. Sit down if you give up. Well, I guess to. Kasi to. Tama. Like, sundan ko yung pattern ng guwit-guwit. No? Ito. Wala akong panahon para makipaglaro. Titinda ako eh. Just think with the logic. Ano yun? 4. Ano yun? Para saan yun? Candies. Oh! Okay, gets. Here's some candies for you. Endok. Thank you for being kind. Endok. Welcome, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, thank you, sir. Well, guys, it's my first time playing this game, so wala akong ideya. Wala akong ideya kung paano matatapos to. Like, walang date. End shift. Oh, we can... Pwede tayo mag-end shift. Thank you, sir. Oh! What? Yung driver, suman sa Cavite. Of normal shift. I don't wanna continue anymore. I'm glad I'm over from this shift. I don't have to worry anymore. All the weird things that happen here. may unggoy. Uy! Naglag? Naglag ako? Wala, nandun siya kanina. Then now, nandito na. Then bago makaupo. O, diba naglalag? So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa panibagong video. Huwag kang limutan mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. And kita tayo sa next video. Bye-bye!